Hey guys, and welcome back to an episode, sort of Sketchbook Sunday. I'm probably not going to put this in the playlist because it is a bummer video. But I've decided to put this series on hold because, well, there's many reasons why, but I would say, like, the main reason is that at the point I'm at in my life right now is really not the same as it was, like, a year and a half ago when I started. Well, actually, I think I started Sketchbook Sunday, like, probably 2 years ago. But, like, long story short, I'm in a very different place right now, and I had to spend a lot of time, like, thinking about if I was, well, I mean, I knew I had to make some changes. I just didn't really know where because I don't really want to drop anything. So I decided that I should probably stop doing the Sunday videos because it's gotten to a point where I don't know, I care a lot about my channel now, like, not to say that I didn't care back then, but it was new to me back then, and I was just kind of, I didn't really know, I don't know, like, I feel like I always did do it with, like, an intention to, succeed. I didn't fucking start doing it just to, like, I don't know. It's not like I'm doing it specifically to have, like, a shit ton of subscribers, but, like, I'm certainly not doing it for no reason, So it started to become very hard for me to just do a sketch and post it, because my following grew a little bit, and I just want to put good content out. I don't want to put, like, rushed, shitty things out, so I would always, like, force myself to, like, make sure my sketches look decent and blah, 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 and that just has taken away all the time that I used to spend, like, just sketching for practice, for fun. And I thought about just going back to that and maybe, like, announcing that I'm just gonna go back to that, but I don't know, I need to just work on it. It's definitely something that I need to, like, figure out anew, like, what can I do to make this good for me? So when Sketchbook Sunday comes back, it probably won't be exactly the same as it was, or maybe it will be, I don't know. I'm planning it on having it come back by, like, September, I don't know, maybe earlier, maybe later. I don't know. I don't know. There's other reasons too, I guess, but I'm trying to, like, look at everything objectively because the easy answer is to just quit my day job. To be honest, like, I don't know. It's the only way to, like, I don't know. It's the easy answer. But the hard answer was to, like, sit back and be like, what can I do to improve my life? Because I'm going insane. I have no free time. So yeah, I'm going to take all the time that I'm going to be saving from putting out these videos that I really am not happy with anymore. Like, the ones at the beginning were really fun, but now it's just, I don't know, it's lackluster and all, like, sure, the sketches are colored, but they're very, like, stiff, and I just feel like I'm taking a step back. Yeah, I don't know. Sorry about the weird angle and everything. I'm actually using my phone with a tripod because my webcam, like, I don't know, my husband's, like, putting a ring light in for me, like a custom one, and I think I nudged something and broke something, and my webcam doesn't work, so had to use my phone camera temporarily. I do like how the footage turned out, though. It's very interesting. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, that's it, I guess. I'll spare you guys all the bummer details of everything else that's going on, but I think for right now, the right thing to do is to just take a step back and, revamp everything, because honestly, the thing that triggered this decision the most was the last 2 videos I made. So I did a Sketchbook Sunday video of Hoshi, and it was just like a side view of him drooling, which, if I was truly sketching for myself without the camera, without being afraid of making something stupid because I'm not going to show anyone, it doesn't matter, it's just a sketch, I would have sketched him head on, like, actually drooling a shit ton of nasty saliva, because I feel like I drew him that way because I had to, like, make a video out of it, you know what I mean? And then I wasn't happy with the outcome of that, and I wanted something more representative, but I also had another time constraint, so it just kind of ended up with 2 of the same thing, and I colored it a certain way that, and when you just get too far and it's, like, not working and you have to restart, that's what happened, except I didn't have time to restart. Like, I have deadlines, I have to post these videos, and I have to finish my commissions on time, so I just think that happens like too often. It was just really obvious in this one, I think, because if you look at the thumbnails, that's what made me realize. If you look at the two thumbnails right next to each other, it's like they're the same drawing, except one of them took longer and one of them doesn't have the saliva, which was the whole point. But there's no way the saliva would have fit with like the happy spring colors that I put in there, because I was just like doing my own thing, you know. But yeah, that's just pretty much the gist of it. I've re-recorded this voiceover a couple times and it always turns out like 15 minutes long, and I just don't think that's necessary. But if you're, I guess if you guys want, like, nah, not even. It's like really such a boring, like, adult day jobby story. Like, it's not entertaining. And I don't even know if I want to talk about it anymore. I'm just tired. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this last little episode of Sketchbook Sunday for now. But I hope you guys will really enjoy the nice upped quality that I'll be putting out with the new videos, because I'll have more time to edit them and I want to make a new video format and all that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed drawing, but not doing the voiceover. And I'll see you guys Wednesday.